So today we're going to demonstrate Hannah Montana Linux, probably the most cutting edge Linux distribution out right now. It's only 16 years old and it's running a KDE desktop from about the same age and a Linux kernel that's about 1,000 years old, but hey, we're going to demonstrate it today. Will Mrs. Champion switch from Windows 11 to Hannah Montana Linux? KDE Plasma on Fedora didn't do it, Ubuntu didn't do it, so maybe this is the one that you finally choose. Who knows? Well, first of all, what do you think of it?
Well, you know me, I like purple, so that's a good colour scheme, but yeah, it's definitely looking a bit more retro than we've been used to.
That's great. So it's purple, it's full of security issues, software is a bazillion years out of date, but it's purple, and that's all that matters right now.
I was trying to find a redeeming feature.
You were trying very hard. And hey, I don't think you really are a fan of Hannah Montana, but why not? Why not? You never know. You might relive 16 years ago and be really excited about Smiley Virus all over again.
Or Miley Cyrus.
Or Miley Cyrus. So how about first of all, let's actually maybe look at the wallpapers, theme it a certain way. So if you go to the top right above the Tux penguin there, that's it. Maybe go appearance settings. Okay, so we're obviously on a desktop. So what you can do, if you go down to theme, what theme have we got there? Okay, Oxygen or Hannah Montana. You've got to go Hannah Montana, surely. Which I think we're already on Hannah Montana. So if you hit apply at the bottom right, that hasn't changed anything, has it?
No.
Maybe if you change it to Oxygen, hit apply. Okay, it's made it slightly lighter, but it's sort of out of theme, the taskbar. Maybe change it back. What do you think? Shall we keep it in the theme?
Keep it in the theme.
Keep it purple, right? Keep it Hannah Montana. Now what we could do is, what type have we got there? Image. So if we drop down that, you've got new themes as well. Click on that maybe. Okay, so let's say it's probably a good job we're not properly connected to the internet right now, even though it is in a virtual machine. We can close that out maybe. And what about type? What do we think of that? What's on there?
We're saying slideshow.
We've got to have a slideshow, surely, of Hannah Montana images. Okay. Or we've got to switch this as often as possible. So maybe if you go down the drop-down menu or the seconds menu and drop that down, way down, drop it down the other way. Keep going. No more. Maybe change 10 minutes, click on 10. Maybe put that down to 0. And hit apply. Okay, maybe you can't do that. Maybe change it just to 1 so we can see the glory that is Hannah Montana.
Just do 1.
Yeah, and hit apply on that. There we go. Perfect, perfect, beautiful. Mwah. I guess we could leave that like that and hit OK maybe.
Sorry to interrupt the video, but I'd like help with learning more about Linux, and I was particularly thinking about switching to the Hannah Montana distro. So if you'd like to help me with that, please become one of our Patreons. You can find out more in the description. Thank you. Over to Mr. Linux.
Yeah, check out the description down below so Mrs. Champion can finally ditch Windows 11 for Hannah Montana Linux. Just about as bad as Windows 11. See you later. Back to the video. And as you can see, it changes to the next beautiful background image in all 240 pixels or whatever it is resolution. So what do you think of the old style KDE from 16 years ago? Is it taking you back to old desktops of the past?
Yeah, it's definitely, retro, making me think of those desktops from that time, yeah.
And it's nice that the taskbar doesn't actually properly scale all the way across the screen. So that's just fantastic.
Yeah.
So how about let's go into the start menu.
Now is it down here?
Yeah. Okay, so first of all we've got web browser, so we could click on the web browser. Now, you have no qualms about web browsing on a 16-year-old web browser. You could do your banking on here, surely?
No.
No, you wouldn't do your banking? Maybe trade some Bitcoin? You wouldn't have any qualms with a 16-year-old web browser?
I definitely would have qualms
Okay,
with
you
that.
definitely would, yeah.
Let's
Probably
keep
not a good
secure.
Okay, are you feeling lucky? Are you feeling lucky with all these security issues right now? So maybe you could Google 16 years ago a website saying, I don't know, BBC, Hannah Montana, surely you got a...
Hannah, oh, herself. Yeah.
Been hacked already.
Yeah.
Redirect notice. Whoa, okay, you could go to Wikipedia. Oh, okay. I think we've got an issue with the date on the 16-year-old web browser. I think the date doesn't align with the SSL certificates, so if you did the date command, basically the SSL certificates, but it's probably a good thing we can't access the internet.
Yeah.
Probably a good thing. Oh, the background's changed again, you'll be pleased to know. So we can just close out the web browser. I'm sure it's perfect, we don't need to worry. Maybe go back into the start menu. Oh, personal information manager. Now you wouldn't have any issues surely giving all your personal information to a 16-year-old desktop without any recent security updates?
No, I would have serious issues with that.
Maybe get your latest mail, emails, give them all your contacts, your journal as well, no worries about that. That looks kind of smart though. That's contacts, so that's KDE all-in-one sort of.
Oh yeah, so you got your to-dos in there, your upcoming events.
Summarizer, task manager, or tasks, and actually looks okay. Looks okay actually.
Yeah, that's reasonable.
So I guess we could close that. Probably best to close that. Oh,
we got
the
another
next
picture.
image of Hannah Montana, smiley Aka smiley virus. And so we'll skip the system settings for now, I think. So this is obviously like your favourites, your favourite kind of thing. So this is similar to a lot of desktops really. So you've got file manager. Now funny enough, it's Dolphin from 16 years ago. So this would have been a young Dolphin back in the day. Now it's quite an old Dolphin, I guess.
It's aged quite a bit.
Yeah, so if you click on that, let's see what the old Dolphin file manager looks like. Oh look, they themed it with the Hannah Montana house as well. Interesting, they've got a folder for trash, which is probably where you should put this distro right in, the whole thing. But hey, so we could close that out. And we go, oh, so you've got instant messenger. Does that take you back?
Well, that was the thing of the time, wasn't it?
Instant messenger. Click on that, let's have a look. Should we put in somebody's contacts? Does anybody use instant messenger anymore? Does anybody use Hannah Montana Linux anymore? Put it in the description. You can join the exclusive club of none.
Of nil.
Yeah, let's just close that out. Don't really need to worry about that. Oh, it's going to sit in the system tray, you'll be pleased to know. Oh, you've got an audio player. Amarok. Yeah, man. Okay, so we don't have any music, obviously. You can import your entire Spotify collection, I'm sure, if you wanted to, into this nice, safe, secure distribution.
Doesn't fill me with confidence.
No. Maybe we'll close that one out as well. Oh, of course it's going to sit in the system tray. How lovely. Oh, still there. I guess you just close that out as well. And then we go back into the start menu and see what else we've got here. Oh, okay, so that you can go across to applications. So what's in the graphics? We're going to have GIMP, do you think? We're going to have anything like that?
I wouldn't have thought so.
Okay, no, you're absolutely right. We've got a document viewer. Okay, Ocular, that's fine. An image viewer and a screen capture program. Okay, so, there's something there. Now, can you see the back arrow?
I was just going to ask you this because usually we have a back arrow, don't we? But it's not for now, so I'm guessing you just have to go back into applications.
I can see the back arrow, but it's probably the most horribly designed system.
Or this, is it there? What is it?
It's huge, but you wouldn't see it because it's so badly designed. It's just there.
Oh, yeah, got it. See,
horrific.
This is what I mean about it needing to be clear on the desktop. I got you.
Internet, because we feel incredibly safe on this platform right now. Okay, so you've got a BitTorrent if you want to download all of your legal movies, of course, and all that. You can share your desktop. What's not to worry about that? You've got an RSS feed reader, still a good thing to have. Obviously, we've seen the instant message. You've got an IRC client. You know what an IRC client is?
Oh, I did know, but I can't remember now.
It's basically like an instant messenger, but on like a different protocol. That's my understanding. You can connect to Bluetooth. Nothing insecure about that. So you've got your mail client, Kmail as well. You've got a remote desktop client as well, and then your web browser. Okay, so it's kind of feature packed. If you were going to switch from Windows 11 to this completely secure Linux distribution.
Not convinced.
No, not convinced yet. Multimedia. So we've seen like the audio player, haven't we? You've got a sound mixer, and you've got something called Dragon Player. Oh, I've got to click on the Dragon Player, surely. Will you be able to play with dragons? That's what I want to know. Wow, that's amazing. It built me up there. I don't know about you. Were you thinking of like some grand dragon-themed thing?
Yeah.
And you just get this little menu.
Yeah, it's a bit of a letdown on that one. Come out of that.
Yeah.
So you close it.
Yeah, might as well. So we've got Office. So what do we think? LibreOffice?
Yeah.
We thinking LibreOffice?
Similar.
No.
No.
LibreOffice.
Oh, okay.
Got an address manager. So again, no worries about giving them all your addresses. A personal information manager, contact, and a personal organizer. Okay, so everything the Hannah Montana fan needs, really. From 16 years ago.
It's like time travel.
So I guess we could have a little browse of the settings, see if there's anything interesting there. Literally nothing of interest there. What's that? Oh, Qt4, so that's the old framework. And you've got a wallet management tool. You want to give them all your money?
No, definitely not.
Sure?
Yep.
I guess we've got system next. So you can get hardware drivers from 16 years ago. I'm sure they're wonderful. And just various kinds of things, screen rotation. You've got a terminal. We'll look at the terminal in a bit. You've got a system monitor. Oh, let's go into system monitor. Let's see how many resources it's using. Oh, okay. If you go system load at the top there, so it's using not too much there. It's using 295 megabytes. Now I do have to say, my desktop actually uses less than that, and it's but I'm just saying TTYSH actually uses less than Hannah Montana Linux. Okay, but that is still about 1,000 times less than Windows 11, and probably the modern Fedora KDE Plasma desktop you looked at. But I'm thinking you want the modern KDE Plasma desktop.
It is preferable. Yeah, definitely.
The good thing is you're not transferring any data because you know how safe this distribution is. So I guess we just come out of that. And what's next? What's next in this abomination? Utilities. Funny enough, you've got text editor and Kate. Automatic mouse click tool. Interesting. All kinds of things there. You've got a scientific calculator.
Yeah.
I could just imagine. You just imagine a scientist right now sat down doing some very complex chemical protein compound on his Hannah Montana Linux distribution from 16 years ago. You never know.
It could happen.
And then I guess we go back out of that. It's not really too much interesting there. Anybody needs help running this thing. You need help. I guess we could click computer. I guess that's going to be the folders. Yeah, so it's folders. Like I said, it's got the trash folder, the most important folder for Hannah Montana Linux. Put it right in the trash because, hey, you don't want to get stuck on this. And, well, there you go. What else is there to say about Hannah Montana Linux? Now, I've done a lot of talking on this, so what do you actually think?
I think it's good that this has been succeeded by other distros,
Yeah.
definitely. Yep. It looks pretty, but that's about it, isn't it?
It's probably almost as bad as Windows 11, probably. So there you go. So if you want to install Hannah Montana Linux, don't. Okay, just don't do it. Anyway, so I think we'll leave it there. It's enough pain to endure for one sitting. So Mrs. Champion.
Yeah, it's time to fake YouTube, like, comment and subscribe. And we'd like to thank our Patreons. That's Sean, that's HCX80Nerd, and that's Sol. And you can find our details for subscribing to Patreon in the description below.
And Smiley Virus, if you're watching, I mean Miley Cyrus, if you're watching, please join our Patreon. We would really appreciate the highest tier as well. That'd be even better. Thank you. We've done you good here. We've done you proud. So thank you very much. Anyway, guys, we'll see you in the next one.